Now, in the given question, we have the refractive index of the material of a prism is √2 and the angle of the prism is 30 degree. Now, one of the two refracting surfaces of the prism is made a mirror inwards by silver coating. A beam of monochromatic light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its path after reflection from the silver surface if its angle of incidence on the prism will be. So now, as we know that for the ray, the retrace of the path R is equals to 30 degree as shown in the diagram. So we know, so the value for the, by using the Snell's law, we know that L into sine I is equals to P sine 30. So by using this, we can find the value of I, which would be equal to 45 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees. Hence, the option 3 is the correct option for this question.